Let's try a fun little experiment using just 2 glasses, some water, and a handful of raisins. First, I'll fill one glass with still water and the other with sparkling water. Now, watch as I add a few raisins to each glass. In the glass with still water, the raisins simply sink to the bottom and stay there, resting quietly. But in the glass of sparkling water, something magical happens. As soon as the raisins are dropped into the sparkling water, you'll notice something fascinating begin to happen. At first, those raisins sink to the bottom, just like in the still water. But then, after a little while, tiny bubbles from the sparkling water start to gather on their wrinkled surfaces. They move, or rather they try to move, as the bubbles slowly lift them upward. After a few moments, they begin to float, carried by the gentle force of the bubbles. But the journey isn't over yet. When they reach the surface, some of the bubbles pop and the raisins lose their lift. They start to sink back down again, only for the whole process to repeat. Up and down, over and over, the raisins bob and dance in the sparkling water, almost as if they're putting on a little show just for you. So why does this happen? The raisins are denser than water, so at first they sink in both types of water. However, in sparkling water, carbon dioxide gas bubbles stick to the rough, wrinkled surface of the raisins. These bubbles act like tiny life jackets, making the raisins and bubble combinations less dense than the water, so they float up. When the raisins reach the top, the bubbles pop or escape, and the raisins become denser than the water again, so they sink. This cycle continues, creating the dancing raisins effect, a fun way to see the science of density and buoyancy in action.